Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use sous-vide mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. First, I'll show you how to turn it on, then I'll show you how to use it, what is it for. So let's go to sous-vide and the modes, and then you can set the temperature and the time. The speed and the direction is set automatically. Now, for that mode, you'll need to use the simmering basket, which I'll show you how to install in a moment. And now let's talk about what the sous-vide mode is for. Sous-vide mode lets you cook vacuum-packed meat, fish, seafood, vegetables, fruit, or anything like that with any defined and constant temperature between 40 degrees and 85 degrees Celsius for up to probably 12 hours. Yes, for up to 12 hours. And the result will be juicy, soft, and tender. Now, for that, you need to use zipper lock bags as sous-vide bags and seal them after removing air inside the bag. And make sure to check if the bags are safe to be used at a desired target temperature. Now, for that, you also should use the simmering basket, as I said, so the bag doesn't touch the knives. And it's great to add a bit of lemon juice or like half a squeezed lemon or a teaspoon of vitamin C or ascorbic acid powder to the water in the mixing bowl to prevent possible oxidation of the mixing knife. Now, you can vacuum seal ingredients with either a vacuum machine by removing the air from the inside of your bag, or if you don't have it, you can place ingredients into a Ziploc bag and seal the lock almost all the way, leaving 1 centimeter open to let air escape. Then submerge the bag slowly in deep container filled with water without letting water get into the bag. Water pressure will just push the air out, and then seal the bag completely and make sure there are no leaks, and you will be able to add your ingredient into the mixing bowl in order to use it in the sous-vide mode when the food is submerged, but in a bag, in a Ziploc bag. Now, let me show you how to install a simmering basket. So, as you can see, there is my top of the mixing bowl, and you would need to remove the lid. Then the simmering basket can be installed by just putting it in. And of course, the water that you fill, you should fill it above the level of the food that you put in. You can see, remember not to overfill. So you shouldn't put more than the top of the basket, because the top of the basket aligns with the maximum level of water in your or of any contents in your mixing bowl. Now, you can just put the simmering basket in or remove it very easily, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.